How are you? So today we are solving the problem number 173. Problem name is binary search tree iterator, BST iterator. Basically, in this problem, we have to create a function called iterator, so we can traverse every value of the array, or we can say anything hash map. We can say list. Okay, so we have a tree. Example one 7. Then we have node of 7 is 3, 15, 9. We have two subtree like 3 and 15. And we have two more node of subtree 15, 9 and 20. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to return the value. Like if we basically we have to sort the order of the tree. This is simple we can do in this solution in this problem. Okay. What we can now we have now no now look at the description, read it. Like implement the BST iterator class that represent an iterator over the in order traversal of a binary search tree. Okay, so first point is initialize a अगले 3 घंटों में आपके जनपद में कुछ स्थानों पर बिजली चमकने होगा। अरे भाई बिजली बारिश हो पड़ी है कुछ दिन से। मार्च में अप्रैल में बारिश हो रही है। ओके नाउ बैक टू द प्रॉब्लम। इनिशियलाइज एन ऑब्जेक्ट द BST iterator class. The root of the BST is given as part of the constructor. The root is the part of constructor. Okay. The pointer should be, this is the root and this is the constructor, part of the constructor. Okay. The pointer should be initialized to a non-existent number smaller than any element in the BST. The pointer should be initialized to a non-existent number. पूरी ट्री के अंदर कोई भी एक नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए जो भी हम कंस्ट्रक्टर बना रहे हैं, ठीक है, उससे छोटा होना चाहिए, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, बूलियन हैज नेक्स्ट रिटर्न ट्रू इफ देयर एग्जिस्ट a number in the traversal to the right of the pointer, okay, otherwise return false. Like we have to do, just initialize the pointer and then check the pointer we initialized, the number we given to the pointer should not exist in the list we have already given. Okay. Now, if the number is exist, then return true. Otherwise, return false. Okay. Then next move the pointer to the right. Then return the number at the pointer. Okay. Notice that while initializing the pointer to a non-existent small number, the first call to next will return the smallest element in the. Notice that by initializing the pointer to a non-existent small number, the first call to next will return the smallest element in the BST. जैसे ही हम इनिशियलाइज करेंगे पॉइंटर के लिए, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहली कॉल करेंगे नेक्स्ट के लिए, और जो रिटर्न करेगा सबसे छोटा नंबर जो है स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट जो ट्री का होगा। ओके, यू मे अज्यूम दैट नेक्स्ट कॉल विल ऑलवेज बी वैलिड, दैट्स इट, that is there will be at least a next number in order traversal when next is called. Like we are here. Okay, look at the number 3. We are here. Then the last line is saying that if next is here, then there should be also a number in, like we have to travel. If the number is not available, then we have to return, then we have to go there. Okay, so this is the basic function of the problem. So now what can we do? We have a brute force approach, so we can store full traversal in a list, then use pointer to iterate. Okay, so we can perform in order traversal, then use index to return next element, and we have another approach. So what we can do, First, like you, if you know the stack, how stack works, then you know first we store left into the stack. On next, then pop top and process it, then push left path to its right child. Okay, so this is the good way. So what we can do next, like we have three functions here, and first how we have to push element, then what we can do, node self dot stack dot pop. Okay, if node dot right available, then self dot push left into no not dot right. Okay, then return node value. Now what we can do, have to first we have to declare the stack, then declare another, then we have to push stack into push root into stack one, push left root. Now we have to create a function for push left, def push left self comma node. Now check the condition while, not condition, this is a loop. I'm running the while loop, while node self stack dot append, we have to append node into stack. Okay, then node equal to node dot left. अरे मेरे भाई node dot left. Then last has next. If the number is available, then we have to skip, then return length self dot stack शून्य. Now let's check it will work or not. Yes, it's working. Submit. भाई तो कोड चल रहा है बढ़िया से, और हमारा काम हो गया है, तो ठीक है जी, तो आज के लिए इतना काफी है, मिलते हैं कल अपनी नई वीडियो के साथ, नए टॉपिक के साथ। ठीक है, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, कीप मोटिवेटेड, कीप हेल्दी, बी हेल्दी, कीप मोटिवेटेड, थैंक यू गाइस, बाय बाय।